As a contractor, you are losing bids and lowering your profit margins if you aren't using DuraSeal for all of your Category 2, 3, and 4 venting. Special gas vents by other manufacturers are costing you valuable time and money as the design forces you to use screwdrivers to tighten bands, tabs to create connections, and other labor-intensive systems that aren't really that simple at all. Too often, something as small as venting on your large mechanical project is causing your team in the field major headaches and frustration. DuraSeal makes all those frustrations and costly installations go away in a snap. With our patented Easy Lock system, your venting installation can be completed without tools in over 1/3 less labor hours. The Easy Lock system guarantees proper fit in the Viton O-ring, ensures that the seal will never erode over time. UL 1738 listed, DuraSeal is available in both AL294C as well as 316L stainless steel, single wall, and double wall insulated versions. DuraSeal is able to meet the engineer's specifications and has all of the necessary fittings to meet even the requirements of the most challenging projects. Visit us online at solutions.net, spelled SLTNS, and DuraVent.com, if you have any questions or want more information on our products and services. Also, be sure to check out our YouTube channel for our other informational videos.